should we be surprised that globalization has increased inequality in so many emerging economies? Well, the answer from an economic theory point of view is actually yes, because the most well-documented, the most well-established theory of international trade in economics is called the theory of comparative advantage.
Actually, we're talking about frictions, and this decrease of frictions is relatively higher for D workers than for C workers, which is what we need in his model.
Let me just pick up on this point about language barrier. There's a very dramatic example which India provides.